What's up everyone? So in this video I'm gonna share you how you can easily stretch and also resize the text, whether that in the width or the height, guys. And here particularly I'm using this CapCut PC. So you can start to type your text first into this section. For example, I'm going to type the stretch like this, and I'm gonna change the font a little bit thicker, for example this Montserrat. So if you have ever tried before that to expand or make this text bigger, actually you can just change or pull this scale of this font size. However, if we're gonna make the specific or resize the specific area like the height here, so all you need to do here, you can just scroll down until you find this uniform scale. So you can just inactivate it, and for example I'm gonna make this text to be higher. Then I'm gonna pull this scale to the right and stretch it up and also down like this. Or you can also make this text more wide or wider. So you can click this scale width and pull it, let's say, to the right like this. And now this text is stretched to the right and also left. Or you can also do the same thing here. And the key is you can find this uniform scale. And now we can simply stretch it or stretch this text, whether that to the up and down or the horizontally left and also right. Make it higher or make it wider. So don't forget to try this tips and trick, and I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.